Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you control both platforms. You need GA4 and Facebook Business Manager with full rights. Once that's confirmed, create a Facebook pixel and note its ID, or set up Conversions API keys for server-side later. Next, install Google Tag Manager on every page. This centralizes both Google Analytics and Facebook tags. Immediately add a GA4 configuration tag in GTM so analytics collect baseline data. Then prepare a new tag slot for the Facebook pixel to add in the next step. Now you'll add the Facebook pixel through GTM and configure event tagging. Create tags for page view, purchase, lead, and any custom events. Map parameters like value and currency to match GA4 event fields and make triggers fire on the same user actions. Once done, standardize your campaign UTM tagging so source/medium and campaign names are identical between Facebook and other channels. Consistent naming makes cross-platform reporting reliable. Finally, preview GTM. Finish by turning matching GA4 events into conversions and verifying the numbers over a day or two. Once events align, create audiences in GA4 based on those conversions and export, or recreate them in Facebook for ads and retargeting. Make sure the same event definitions and value thresholds are used. For persistent mismatches, check GTM preview for tag firing, confirm parameter names match exactly. Verify user consent settings aren't blocking tags. And if using Conversions API, inspect server-side logs to ensure requests and access tokens are valid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.